Hello, this is John. I just wanted to make you a quick video to go over your questions. I'll also write these out in email a little bit, but I thought since you had some pretty straightforward questions, might as well just make a video and show you a little bit of a demo, the screen share. So I found a client in Morocco that we have that might be kind of the most similar to what you're talking about regarding website and payments and activities. I understand completely the problem with getting payments to Oman or other countries. And it looks like the people in Morocco are having the same issue. So this is their calendar, and you click in, and this is the reservation details. We keep track of everything. So what they're doing is using our offline payment method. So you'll see down here, it saved the guest's card, but we only store the last 4 digits in our system, and the first 12 digits are sent by email. So in that case, they're not actually charging anybody's credit card directly through ReservationKey. This particular reservation came in through booking.com. So booking.com actually gives them a virtual credit card. And I think that's what this number is down here. But so that virtual credit card is something that you can then charge using whatever payment processor you currently use. So you just take those numbers and type them in. Or copy and paste if it's online. So that way you don't need to connect directly with a booking system through ReservationKey. And let me go over to their website to answer some of your questions about that. So I'll open up this is their main website. And to connect, it doesn't matter what website building system you use. You can use Wix, Square, WordPress, whatever. Not Square, sorry, Squarespace. And then what you do is just make somewhere on the page to reserve. And so right up here, they have a big booking button. I don't know if they also, sometimes people also include booking buttons within their rooms pages. Yes, they did as well. So you click reserve. So that reserve button then takes them directly to the ReservationKey booking page, which is hosted on the ReservationKey server. You can see right up here is reservationkey.com. And on this page is where the guests enter their dates and then select from the available options. And here you can see they have different options, breakfast, non-breakfast. They have it listed in euros, which is, you can use your currency however you like. Have different photos. These photos are, we can fix that. It should all be the same size, but don't worry about that. So anyway, you find the room that you want, you click reserve. And then here's the part about the tours that you were asking about. We don't necessarily have a tour booking system. We're considering adding something a little more along those lines, but you could just add them as additional items, like we call them items for sale. So here they're offering transfers to the airport. And they do have a couple of tours on here, like the Orica Valley tour. So if somebody wants this tour, they can just select it here, or Atlas Mountains. And then that adds that tour to their reservation. So you'll see right here, it was added on. If you actually need to track dates and availability and everything on a calendar for the tours, you could add the tour as a separate unit, but it's a little bit not exactly set up for that. But adding them as an item for sale like this could be a real easy way to go, if that works for what you guys do. So there's the price, fees, put in the contact information, put in your payment information. So this credit card number, like I said, will be, the first 12 digits are sent by email and the last 4 digits are saved in ReservationKey. There's all their terms and conditions, and then click make reservation, and that's it. So that hopefully answers and explains in a little bit of a demo here how to link ReservationKey to your website and how to deal with payment processing. Let me know if you have any other questions, and we can also have a more live demo, probably be evening your time, morning my time, which would work okay. And otherwise, of course, you can always go to the website anytime and click free trial. Just type in your information here, and then that'll set up an account just like this for you, where you can add your unit names and prices, etc. So I won't go through all these details. I'm just looking at this. I can see a lot of details I would tell you about, but we can save that for another call, or feel free to set up the account and start playing with it. Thank you very much. Bye.